Hello, watchers of woodcraft. This is me and my cat in my garage. Alright, so I'm going to mark up the wood and cut it out to shape before I glue it. I have 9 rolls of material to work with here. 1/2 millimeter wood veneers, 5 rolls of mahogany, 3 white cedar, and 1 teak wood. That piece of wood that I'm using to get my cat up off my veneers is a template that I made out of 3 millimeter plywood. This is the mahogany. This is the teak wood. Here I'm making a cross grain segment, and as you can see the wood split, so I put a piece of tape on it, which happens pretty often. Here I'm cutting out some of the white cedar, and I've cut everything out. That's it. In the next video I will glue them all together. Please check it out. Thanks for watching.